Okay, welcome po again for the final game for today. Maglalaman po ang Team Green po or multicolor pa rin po sila. Yan po ang Team Boleros. Kalaban po nila po ang Yellow Boys po. Yan po ang QDF. Yan. And thank you pala po sa SPB DOA for maintaining the game in neat and orderly fashion. Kasi si Pauni, tsaka si Pauni, tsaka si hindi ko siya sasabihin. Hindi ko na sasabihin. Papokus ko na sa kanya. Okay. Sige. Yan po. Okay.
Live, no? Live?
Live tayo. Oh. Live nationwide via satellite. Live nationwide. Okay, third and final game for today. Calling now the starters for both teams. Maraming salamat po. Third and final ball game po for the day. Calling now. Okay, between Boleros Team Green versus QDF Team Yellow. Okay. Yung mga traditional na mga shake-hands na yan. Maraming salamat po. Okay. Okay, first quarter now will be given now QDF for Harsha, Roy, of course, number 11. That's Anurag. And of course, si Siblini. Nandiyan po si Siblini, number 24. Kabila lang po is Boleros po. Di ko sila makilala po dahil siya, marami sila mga kulay po kasi. And nakuha ni John, number 20 ng bola. 23. 15 and 26. Foul. JP 24 called for na-call po. And again 26. Pops up 15. Dish of pass 45. Naipit ang konti. 55 seconds remaining. JP wala na, palpal pa. Wala na, palpal. Napalpal pa. Okay, balik tayo. That's Mr. number 30. That's Harsha. 24, Siblini. 15, Roy. Roy creating space, lost the ball.
Under
26.
14 shoot.
23.
Time to shoot.
Again. Stolen. Restaken again. Nope. Rebound. Wala pa rin. Offline. And last touch by Nav the QW. The yellow shirts. QDF. Last touch QDF po tayo. Op! Galing sa labas. Paano, boss? Ingat ha. Thank you. Sayang, boss. Pre. 1, 2, 3. Nice game, boss ha. Thank you. Jarabe, thank you. Peace.
Number 24.
And Siblini. Lost the ball. Kick pass. Jordan. No good.
Number 7.
Roy, binababa ang bola. Mr. Roy. 15. Harsha. No good. Okay, 26. Binababa ang bola. Kapos. Number 11. 2 points. Okay, first points now given by Anurag of QDF. QDF Anurag. And now kay Mr. 26. Jordan. O, 23. 15. 45. Pops up. Top of the key. Nope. It's JP. Wala. Roy naka-rebound. Again, Harsha. Harsha attacking. All the way. Malakas. Si Blini. Rumibot sana. Ayun. Wala pa rin. Si Blini.
10 to shoot.
Anurang. Malakas. Si Blini again. Pops up. No good. 26 naka-rebound. And wala. Si Blini, binababa ang bola. Walang pasa. Hindi na sa loan, is the number 15 ang bola. Balik tayo.
Number 15.
15 ang Boleros. 45. Bumabarel. JP 24. Nice one, 15. Wala. Isa pa.
Number 23.
23. Lost the ball. 24. Creating space. Wala pa rin. One more time. Wala pa rin. Malaki. And fresh 14 seconds shot clock. Pops up 15. Nope.
10 to shoot.
45. Tira mo na. Wala na.
24 second shot clock.
21 second shot clock violation committed. Balik muli pa sa QDF ang bola.
Change 5.
Change 5 po tayo yun. Change 5. Sa kabila, si number, wala mo na pong papalitan. Sa kabila naman, kompleto po sila. Nandiyan si So, si 25, si 17, si 10, at si number 26. Ayan na, 26. Nice one by So. So, power move. No good. Kick pass.
Number
23.
Number 26.
Wala pa rin. Hop! Hawi. Humawi ka, boy.
Number 23.
Foul on 23. Humawi siya. Wala. 2-0 pa rin pong score po natin. 4:31 remaining. Okay, number 25. Number 17. And to number 10. Badjola. Badjola. Turn around. Foul.
Number 24, 26.
Foul. Number 25, inbounding. Nope, it's So. So for the inbound. And to Badjola. Badjola. So power move. Foul.
Foul number 4.
Number 4 called for a foul. 26. Mr. So shooting for 2. So first shot. Nope. Not made. Second throw by So. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. It's in. 3-0. 3-0.
Someone. Number 3.
JP. 26. 24. Running shot. Jordan. Nope. 26. Wala pa rin. Badjola. Op. Chill lang tayo guys. Chill lang. Chill lang. Follow number 4. At hindi nagustuhan kasi ang tulak sa kanya. Kaya chill lang po tayo guys. Chill lang tayo. Friendly game lang tayo. Friendly game. Okay. Binabantayan. Ayan ang pulip. Number 25, QDF. Binabantay number 26.
And to shoot.
Good ball, good ball, good ball. Hassel. (26) and JP, no good.
Ball
Ouch.
number 25.
Foul on number 25,
Gamboa.
and that is act of shooting for 2. Number 24 ng Bolero shooting for 2 at 2:20 remaining. It's out. Wala pa rin shot. Wala pa rin point. It's out. Second shot. Jumper ready po tayo. Second free throw. JP. Pops up. No good still. And ayan. Ayan na naman. 25. Running. Intercepted. Ayan na. Chance now. 24. And one play pa binigay pala niya. Gusto pa ng ganun pala eh. 24 for the bonus free throw. Bonus free throw for 24 ng Team Boleros to tie the ball game. 2:02 remaining. First shot. No good. Number 4, naka-rebound. JP again. JP, difficult shot. No good. JP again. 45. Fadeaway shot, malakas. Foul.
Number 4, warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty, Team Boleros.
Second foul, number
Inbounding si number 10, Badjola. To number 25, that's Mr. Gamboa. So, nakumat po. So, creating space.
Foul number 24, penalty.
RC is watching. RJ Masbang is watching. Maraming salamat po, sir. Last game na po tayo po sa araw na ito. Ito po ang Radyo AFL 760 sa inyong talahipitan. Wala. Second shot, So, second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo, pops up, wala pareho, isa pa daw, sabi ng referee. Isa pa ang referee, isa pa ang free throw, isa pang referee, isa pa ang free throw, isa pang referee. Pops up, pasok. Okay, 4-2, dalaw po kalamangan muli po ng team QDF. Okay, 26, binababa po ang bola. 26, binababa ang bola, 26, okay. Almost intercepted. 26. Now to number 4. Pops up for 3. Malakas. Lane violation. Tumapa ka sa linya. Out of bounds for QDF. QDF now. And JM 26. Gamboa. Binababa ang bola. So again. So. Hop. And Gamboa pops up for 3. No. Pushing foul. Basket count.
Basket, 3 points.
3 points yun. Pero may push. Offensive foul. Okay, basket made pero counted po yun. Pero offensive foul po yung number 26. Pushing foul. Baldemoro. Nope. Rebound battle won by. Wala na. Okay, that's our first quarter concluded. The score is 7-2. You're watching right now the game between Mechanicals and QR Towers. And for tomorrow's game po tayo, meron po tayong sorry pala. You're watching right now. You're watching a Boleros versus QDF. I stand corrected. Boleros versus QDF po tayo. For tomorrow's ball game po tayo, meron po the first game po natin. In Flights versus the Projects versus Oryx versus the Sky Team. Pero buling time po. Laro muna po tayo. Ito for last game po tayo yun. Boleros and QDF. Okay. 26 now for the inbound. Now, okay, 15. Labas muna si number 4. Second quarter na po tayo. Timer! No good. Rebound battle won by 26. 23. Wala pa rin. Harsha. Harsha. Number 14. Echo. Echo driving strong. Echo. 2 points. Floater shot. Up to float. 15. JP. 24. 24. 26. Wala pinasahan. Same ball. Same ball. 15. Driving strong. 24. 24. 23. Set shot sana yun. Wala pa rin. 45. 5 seconds remaining. Foul.
Foul number 14, Lotero.
Foul number 14 on QGF. Balik muli po tayo sa Boleros ang bola. Hatim inside also. Nice one, pero may foul.
Foul number 13.
Tarchak. Okay, that's number 26 shooting for 2. 26 shooting for 2 po tayo. It's out. The score right now is 9-2. Lamang na po ng 7 ang QDF. Maraming salamat po. Second throw, pops up. Wala pareho. Nandun si number 23. 23. Out of bounds. Okay, Lotero now for the inbound. Lotero for the inbound for sure. Lotero to number 20 ng QDF. Babalik ko pa ba ito, Scott? What?
Number
27, 2 points. Great drive by number 27. Samonte.
Samonte. Number 15 to JP.
JP. Rebound by Harsha.
Pass to Lotero.
Lotero. Okay. Oh, traveling violation called. Traveling called on number 27. Balik muli po sa Boleros ang bola. That's Hatim, I think so. JP. JP. Oh!
12 seconds. 12 seconds.
12 seconds remaining. 12 seconds to shoot. Ang score po natin, 11-2. Laman po na siyam ang QDF. 6:56 remaining. 6:56 remaining. And thank you pala po sa SPB Doha for keeping the game in a neat and orderly fashion. Nice D by Hatim. Lotero. Hatim! Malakas. Hatim almost had it. Foul on number 24. 26 rather.
Samonte, second foul.
Number 26. Okay, second shot. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. 11-2 po rin po score po natin. 6:19 remaining. Wala. Harsha. 2 points, Harsha.
2 points, number 13.
Harsha, 2 points. And team 26. Boleros on the attack. Boleros again. Boleros up. No good. Rebound. Stick away. Walang foul. Bison. Dotero. Harsha. 2 points. Harsha 2 points. Stalwart po ng Alporno ng ibang liga. And there's a foul called on number 30.
And foul number 30.
Number 30, Harsha called for a foul. 23, inbounding tayo. Samonte, 45. 15, pops up. Wala. Out of bounds. Sa pula po tayo, sa pula. Balik po tayo. Jason Jarabit is watching. Scott is watching also. Okay, nagpalito po tayo po ng lineup po ngayon. Barangay rules po kasi binapin po rito. 15-2 po ang score. 13 po kalamangan na po ng Team PDF. Pops up, no good. Rebound. Roy Sana, but he can never control the boards. 4:49 remaining sa ating second quarter action. Yun, nakapasok din ang Team Boleros. Sa Monte, 2 points, number 26. Siblini.
Foul number 24.
Siblini called for a foul. 4 minutes 29 remaining. 26 binababa po ang bola. And to 23. 23. Number 4. Nice one sana. Nice stop. Okay. Z.
Number 15.
Malakas. 24. JP. Garbing strong. 2 points.
Interceptor number 24.
Ano yan? Isang bakit para sa akin?
Sa inyo, mga referee.
Referee.
Pasalamat ka kay ano.
Salamat po. Salamat po, Mr. Julius Babagay para po sa KFC po na aming
Third
kakain.
foul number 4.
Gabi! Uy! Nag-free throw na sila.
Nag-free throw. Wala pa. Sige, ano yan? Sa
Sa third
pagpatak ng third quarter simula yan. Pops up. Wala. And out of bounds na para sa Boleros. Under mo na yung Boleros.
Oo, papanoorin kita. Puta, hindi pa umuwi para lang sa'yo, ha?
Gabi. Ano team ba dati si Gabi? QDF ba talaga? Ibang di dati. Ibang team. Okay, balik tayo po tayo.
Duel, pasok na!
26, binababa ang bola. Naandun si Siblini. Interfering. The pass. May alak ah. Ay, ito tayo sasabay kay So. Sakin.
Wala.
So?
Bandibon.
Sabay-sabay tayo.
Bandibon.
Jordan! 3 points for Jordan. Jordan number 23. 3 points. 15-9. Laman po ng 6 ang team QDF. Dawa na bola and same ball nga. Confirm it.
Sa pa ng mga kalaban.
Oh. Siblini, thinking 3. Labas mo na. Pops up. And
Hoy!
bola.
Hoy!
Gabi, 2 points. Aras sila, happy birthday daw kay Julius B. Happy birthday, Julius.
Thank you sa KFC.
Maraming sana sa KFC. And Mr. 26, wala pa rin. Nandun si Roy, binabantay ng ano.
Pass break.
Passing day. Hey! 2 points. Palpal!
Nice D!
Oy. Si Blaney, nice pass to Gabi, 2 points.
Grabe talaga yung Gabi. Tabi.
Out of bounds, but still, Boleros ball.
Noel, buti pa si nakakashoot, ikaw wala.
Okay. Nawala ang bola. Amampang. Ay, Ampang. Sorry.
15 seconds.
And si Blaney, nice pass. And Geroy, 2 points, Geroy.
Team 1.
Slowly but surely.
14.
38 seconds remaining. 23 na score po natin yun. Lumoboro, kalamangan po nila po. Again, still, hasa play na naman. I think the fatigue factor is setting in now for team. Malalim.
Wala!
Foul.
Para number 11.
Bihira yung ganun nangyari. I-reverse pass. Mamaya na, ano tayo? Vamos, kapasyon ng data. Mamaya na.
16 seconds.
Boleros, again, number 4. 14 seconds remaining.
10.
Valdemoro, running shot. Nako, malakas. Gabi, si Blaney.
Ay, di nga pati na binigay.
Out of time. Okay, the score is 23-29. 23-29 after 2 quarters.
Oy,
Third quarter na.
KFC. Uy, merienda ako.
Boss, ano, KFC, paano kay babagay ito? Pa-birthday niya.
Pa-birthday niya.
Pa-birthday, kababagay.
Happy birthday, Esca.
Julius!
Julius! Eh, labigyan din.
Thank you.
Eh, lagyan din. Papasok.
Anong quarter na yan?
Maraming salamat
Third
po
na?
sa Julius.
Ang baba na yung score ah.
Tapos yung 5 minutes, 0-2.
Oh?
Hindi sila maniningil lang.
White ball.
Wait sila.
Okay na yun, tambak na eh. Alam ko naman pag pipirituin mo. Ilan din yan?
Plus 4 pa eh.
Plus 4 pa, di ba?
Okay po, number 22 for the inbound.
Sige.
Inbound po, 23. Third quarter na po tayo yun.
Anong team ba to?
Boleros. Ito yung parang ano rin, ibang grupo ng mechanicals.
Number 20.
Boleros na tawag sa
Sabon.
bali tatlong paksyon ng
Number
pag
23, 542.
Jordan, no good. Again, sa pataw.
Number 23. Time to shoot.
Out of bounds, same
Same
ball.
ball.
It's same ball, out of bounds. Ayun o. Arsio. Alporno.
Asan dyan?
Ayun o. Nasa ilan nung, yung number 30.
Yan ba yung magaling? Iba naman.
Hindi, Hashim yung isa. May Hashim pa nga dyan. May Jane pa nga eh.
Ah, Jane, yung nasa ano yun, di ba?
Jane, nasa kabila.
Oh, isa lang doon.
Oh. Dalawang taga ano. Pops up, no good.
15. Rebound.
Hop!
Ganda nung freak ng sapatos.
Last answer number 24.
Saan po?
Ay, sabay tayo dito kay JP.
Oh, direct ka kakain. Kumain ka na.
Gamboa.
Uwi na ako. Uwi, tutulog nila ako.
Now number 45.
Kakain ka na? Hindi ka kakain ng FC? Bakit?
Pahinga muna yung sigmura ako. Huwag tayo kain. First shot sa team, 2 point.
Magaling din yan.
Second throw sa team.
Pero may ano siya.
Oh,
Follow through siya.
oh. Yun lang.
Oy!
Nice one oras. So,
Namamasa ka pala!
Samonte.
Samonte. To number 24, JP. To Samonte. Baldos. Number 15.
Rebound.
Wala nang tao. Wala nang pasok.
German kasi. Malakas. Oh, si Sir Mandam also is watching. Thank you po. Pops up. 2 points. Number 15, 2 points. Okay na nyo. Bakit Mil? Atim. Uy! Offensive foul.
Offensive.
Alatado, boss.
Number
It's
27.
obvious. Uy! Sorry ko.
Ganda na sa pangkas.
Saan ba? Saan ba?
Atim.
Atin.
Baldos.
Pero parang naglalaro din.
JP.
Palpal. Palpal din. .648 remaining. 26-11. Lampo lang. Lumilima. Out of... ah! Masyado malakas. Malas lang.
Noel, pasok na! Wala nang oras!
Malas lang. Okay, balik tayo. 26 yung binababa ang bola. 26. Again, 45. 26.
Samonte.
Pops up. 2 points. Kanina, obvious yung offensive ball mo. Parang
13.3.
pinili ka tanong. Kanina. Reklamo ka pa.
Yung gumalaw yun. Paano magiging
Pero still, yung uminumang mo kasing balikan.
15.
tingnan mo, panoorin mo mamaya. Umuwang.
Inumang wala.
Tusok.
Ang laki-laki mo. Patpatis, di mo ko na. Binanataw pa ng balikan.
Number 26.
Meron ko sa view, commentator tayo yun. Recap lang kanina sa mga laro kanina. Okay, Mr. So, shooting for 2. Number 26, So.
2 shots from Su.
So, first shot, pops up. It's out. Second throw, So. Jumper ready po tayo. So, last throw. Jumper ready for So. It's out. What? One more time.
One more try.
One more time po para kay So. Pops up. It's in. 27-13 at 5:35 remaining.
Number 15.
15.
To Samonte.
Samonte. Driving strong. Kapos nga lang. Sabi ni Ari Sila, happy birthday Sir Julius V. Maraming salamat po sa pag-KFC.
Ba't hindi pinapasok yung taga-alcohol?
Mami na. 5 minutes. Pops up. Wala.
Change 5.
Change 5. Ayan, papasok na.
Sab.
Okay, sub nga muna. Palatong substitution po tayo.
Oras!
Okay.
Okay.
Tangina Noel, dapat makashoot ka na ha?
Pareho, narinig ka ng ano, yung mura mo rito.
Nakadalawang shoot na si Sam.
Okay. 24. 15. Aray. 23. 23. 15. Drami Shong.
3 seconds.
5
5 seconds remaining. Nope. Rebound 24. Hoop shot. Wala pa rin. Pass now to kay Echo. Echo. Malakas! Jericho, Echo for start for Jericho, malamig. And 15 again, pops up. Palpal ni Roy. Bakit 2 points sa sinigurado na yan?
Nice block!
Good block by Roy.
Sabi ko sa kanya, may bigay yung sapatos.
Ano? Yung kay,
Yung sapatos.
yung kay Zoro, kay ano? Yung Morant?
Oo.
Oh, sige. Dali ko next week.
Putang ina, Noel!
Oh! Wala! Wow!
Foul number 23.
Okay, dali ko next week. Sa kanya.
Pinapaya mo ako, Noel!
Sa kanya talaga kumpirmado sa kanya. Kaano niya yun, no? Yung sapatos niya. Ikaw, try mo.
Ikaw na.
Ikaw na. Ikaw, kausap mo yun. Lotero, second throw, jumpers na ready po tayo. 3:19 remaining, pops up. Wala. Rebound, 26. And 2:23 against Lotero. Again, 2:24. 26, rather. 26. And number 15, in line. Dope. Rebound battle won by Harsha. Lotero. Harsha again. Harsha 2 points.
Nice one!
Yan Alcorno. Yan. Mas magaling sang Harsha yung maitim, yung 47 na Harsha Alcorno. 2 points. Pero Ashimdo tawag doon eh. Ashimdo eh. Pangalan doon isa eh.
2 minutes starting.
Yung kaluwete. Roy, din kaya. No good. Rebound battle by...
Putang ina, Noel! Noel! Ano nangyari? Putik na! Ayun na, Noel!
Kalpal!
Oh, Noel! Ikaw na!
Wow!
Third foul number 23.
Third quarter is drawing to close now.
Chase down, ha?
Lotero,
Noel, tumira ka, Noel! Dito ka sa labas!
Ayun lang.
Ba't kasi nandiyan sumisiksik ka dyan?
Kumuha ng pick. Roy for 3. Nope. Good ball. Same
Noel,
ball.
ba't kasi sumisiksik dun? Dito ka!
Last touch of Roy.
Roy, last touch. Again, 26 for the inbound. Hamilton 8 remaining. 15. 24. JP. 24. Anis defense by Echo. Foul. No foul. One more time. And one sayang.
Noel! Huwag ka nang sumiksik dyan. Doon ka na!
No good. Second throw, 51 seconds remaining. Third quarter action, going to close. Dami nila kasi. Pops up. Pasok. Okay, 31-17 for sure. Mga 11 po rin tayo. Roy 2 points. Roy 2 points. Nice one, pero sayang.
21 seconds.
Noel! Oh!
Wag mo kasi takutin yun. Tinatakot mo kasi. Huwag takutin.
Putang ina, Noel, lalabas ka na naman, di ka pa nagawa ng bola.
Palpal!
8 seconds lead.
8 seconds remaining. 33-16. 15 for 3. Yes, sirree.
3 points.
33-19. A 14-point advantage. And out of time. Okay, coming up next po is fourth and final quarter. This is a basic friendly doubles of Flying League. Would like to thank the following sponsors. Nandiyan po ang Team LB sa ating padala. Lagi po ang Trade Needles, PSBQ at maraming salamat din po sa SPP DO for keeping the game in a neat and orderly fashion. You're watching right now QDF versus Boleros, idol. QDF and also tomorrow po, may po tayong basketball action. Nasabi ko na po dyan. Maraming salamat po. Z for the middle.
Sam, pag-ano mo naman ako. Bigyan mo naman ako. Tira mo, 3 points. O, nandiyan kasi stepping ko, papasok ka. Sabi ko pumasok ka eh.
Ginugulo mo kasi iskat eh.
Pasok nyo si Noel! Minsan lang maglaro yan!
And pops up. Nope, it's number 4. Pops up. Bang! 3 points. Babong ano po sila. 11-point advantage now by QDF. And Siblini. 2 points, Siblini. Siblini, 2 points. Again, Baltimoro inbounding. Binababa ang bola ni Baltimoro. Baltimoro inbounding. Baltimoro. Naghahanap ng mapasahan. Dantes 23. Jordan. Ayun! Malakas ang tira nga lang. Sayang. Nice cut by 45. Pero di lang na-convert po yun. Okay, 45 shooting for 2. 35-22 scoring po natin yun. Pops up. Kapos. Second throw jumpers ready po tayo para po sa Team Boleros. 8:58 remaining. Pops up. Wala. Jordan. Good ball. Nice D. And to Gabi. Nice pass si Gabi. 2 points. Kita mo yun, pre? Highlight yun.
Sino si Gabi?
Si Gabi. Pinasa yung sa ano. Back pass. Mr. Mandap, pudimin po siya dyan. Maraming salamat po. 26. Floater shot. Wala pa rin. One more time. 2 points. 2 points. By number 26. 37-24. A 13-point advantage still by Team QDF. Siblini driving strong. Nope. 45.
Bilis si Sama!
No good. Hatim. Hatim, fadeaway shot. No good. Nice one by number 11. That's Anunang. And now 15. Binababa po 15.
Number 15 to Samongan.
Number 26.
10 to shoot.
15.
Baltimoro.
Pops up. Kapos.
Baka number 15. To number 7.
Walang sa tiro ng team. Foul!
Substitution.
Okay, substitution muna po tayo.
Kaya ba?
Jordan, 23. Nice D. Again, 24.
JP.
Palpal! Again, blocked by Roy. Malakas. QDF na going after for the Twin Tower combination. Lotero, wala. QDF na going now for the Twin Tower combination. Siblini. Siblini again. A team. 2 points a team. A team 2 points. 6:13 remaining. Nope. Roy. Siblini again. Siblini. Siblini driving strong. Nope. Number 4, kick pass, 45. Kick pass, 45. Wala. And again, Lotero pa rin. Nagbabalik. Lotero. Siblini, 2 points. 2 points Siblini. 5:38 remaining.
Ano oras
15.
laro bukas?
6 o'clock, 6:20.
Yung Orange Express game, sige.
Same game.
Noel, pasok na Noel! Wala na, 5 minutes na lang!
Siblini, 2 points.
Tambak na, Noel!
And Baldos, 45. Pops up. Wala. No good.
Noel, pasok mo si Noel!
Technical foul. Bawal yun.
Si Sam na lang, si Sam.
Technical, bawal pong pumalakpak po habang may tumitira po na player. Paalala po yan. Taunting ang tawag dyan. Taunting.
Nakailan tawag na kayo mula kanina pa? Nakailan tawag na kayo? Sa Q-Bill kayo kanina? Lahat kayo?
Tapos. Kaya no, di ba? Kay Ryan. Ano pa si Ryan sa QBL? PLBL? Okay, back to the ball game ulit pa tayo. Plus ball position pa rin po yan. Al-Ain Lim is watching. Jerbs Armando is watching also. 3 points! 23 3 points po tayo. 45-27. An 80-point advantage. No good. Rebound. Wala. Pasok ang bola. JM. Siblini. On the run. Siblini. Dako. Malakas ang malakas ang pitek. JP. Number 4. Nope. JM for the rebound. 4:05 remaining. Decepted again. Number 4 for 3. Nope. JP, 2 points. An 18-point lead advantage still. Sorry. Yeah, an 18-point. 18 din po kalamangan po ng team QDF. 3:37 remaining sa ligang ito. Out of bounds. Okay, going down to the green shirts again. Bola. Ball now with the green shirts. Baltimore. Naki-pick up nito. Scott, pick up. Thank you. Some number 26. 3 foul call. Okay, not counted.
Yan, sumagot na si Julius eh.
Ano? Wala. Number 20 again. 3 points back to back. Okay, a 15-point advantage again by QDF. At 2:45 remaining. Number 10, Palpal. Balik ulit tayo, 26, yung pangambing. Pops up. Nope, ayaw. Nando si Lutero, si Blini again, si Blini. Si Blini. Oh, teka, it's a traveling call. "24. Kapos. One more time, 24. 23. 24. Pops up. Kapos pa rin. Okay, last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes of game lunch brought to you by Team LBC. Hari ng padala. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Badjola to si Blini to Lutero to Roy. Roy pops up. Yes, sir, from the bank. From the bank. JP, palpal pa rin. Nice one, 976. A minute and 32 remaining. Ciblini, 24. Badjola, 2 points. Pops up, malakas.
1 minute.
A minute remaining. Lutero. Si Benji kasi. Wala si Faun eh. Si Blini to Roy. Roy, power move. 2 points. Fade away shot ni Roy. Pumasok.
Best player ha, Roy?
Best player, Roy.
Di pa. 2 points. Number 26.
Tampon. Ingat
Si
na.
Blini again. Number 24. Si
Ah, Roy,
Blini.
Roy, take Roy.
Si Blini. Roy. 2 points, Roy.
Too much ha? Defense to offense ha?
16 seconds remaining. I think this will be the end already.
Pas pa lang kamay sa akin kung ano din.
Kaya nga eh, batang.
Sabi ko yung
Okay. Okay, that's it.
One more, Roy, one more.
Okay, that's it. And welcome. And thank you also. And also, final score is 56-36, a 20-point lead advantage para po sa QDF or Qatar Duty Free.
Tubig pala ako rin.
Okay, before we go po, your witness now, QDF and Duty Free. Congratulations Freedom for winning the ball game. And again po, for tomorrow's ball game po tayo, announce ko na po. Yan po ang first game po is Inflex versus the Projects. And of course, second game po is Oryx versus
Albert
the Sky
Marasigan, shout
Team.
out, ha?
Maraming salamat po. And
Oryx,
of course,
Albert Marasigan, shout
Oryx
out.
also, Sir Marasigan, Albert Marasigan. Shout out po sa Jan. And maraming salamat sa lahat po. And muli po, this is po ang yung host with you, Arvin G Vlogs. And you've witnessed now QDF versus Boleros.